Tired of the normal white label Jim Beam? Let's get that one out of here. Let's go to something else. There's 5 other options in the Jim Beam line that are way better. Starting with Jim Beam single barrel. Have you checked this one out? It's 108 proof. It's a single barrel version. It's a little bit older, a lot tastier, and you can find these pretty much anywhere. Next one up is one of my favorites from Jim Beam. It's their double oak. If you haven't checked this one out, it's around $20. It is a budget banger. They are quite delicious, and you get such good flavors of these. A little bit of marshmallow, a little bit of caramel. Really good. Number 3 is also one of the kings of budget bourbons right here. This is a 7-year Jim Beam Black. So around $25 for 7-year age statement. You get the vanilla caramel, more like traditional Kentucky bourbon, but you get some of the Beam nuttiness, but in a good way. It's kind of like a little bit of a sweet peanut. Really good. So 2 other options. Before we get to that, is there any I missed here that you would suggest as well? Also hit that like, subscribe for more content just like this. So number 4 here is Jim Beam Devil's Cut. I don't know if you tried this one. It's a little more on the oaky side, I guess. You get a lot of oak. It's kind of a sweet oak. It's definitely a good change up. If you want to stop doing the normal white label, you want to try something different, not much more. It's like 20 some bucks and it's pretty good. All right, and if you want a rye, or this is a good mixer as well, Jim Beam Rye. Have you tried this one? I mean, it's 80 proofer. It's around 16 bucks. Might want to give it a shot. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you next time, Floor Whiskey.